Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Vercel for hosting frontends of no-code apps step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in vercel.com and press enter. Once the Vercel homepage loads, look for the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button. You will see options to register using different accounts. Choose an option that works best for you, such as GitHub, GitLab, or email. If you select GitHub, for example, you will be prompted to authorize Vercel to access your GitHub account. If you decide to register with email, enter your email address and click Continue. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. After verifying your email, return to the Vercel website. You may now be prompted to create a password if you registered with an email. Create a secure password and confirm it. Once your account is set up, you will be taken to the Vercel dashboard. In the dashboard, click on the New Project button to start a new project. You will be given the option to import a project from your connected repositories. Select the repository that contains your no-code apps frontend. Click on the repository to initiate the import process. Vercel will analyze your project settings automatically. Review the options and adjust any configuration settings if necessary. Once satisfied, click the Deploy button to begin the deployment process. Wait for Vercel to build and deploy your project. After the deployment is complete, you will receive a unique URL. Click on the URL to see your no-code app live on the internet. Explore additional settings such as custom domains or analytics in the dashboard. You are now successfully registered with Vercel and have deployed your no-code app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.